In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix packet loss in Discord voice chat. Packet loss is when data packets traveling across a computer network fail to reach their destination. This can be frustrating, especially during important conversations or gaming sessions on Discord. Fortunately, there's a straightforward way to address this. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open up Discord. If you're not logged in yet, navigate to the Discord website or open the app on your device. You'll be prompted to log in with your account details. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the Discord home screen where you can see all your servers and chats. Look for the user settings icon, often depicted as a small gear located at the bottom left corner of the screen beside your username and avatar. This is where we need to head to modify some configurations that might be affecting your voice chat quality. When you click on the settings icon, you'll be taken to a new menu full of tabs on the left side. Scroll down until you find the voice and video settings, and click on that option. This menu controls all your voice chat settings and is crucial for us to tackle packet loss issues. Once you're in the voice and video settings, first ensure that you have selected the correct input and output devices. Sometimes packet loss can seem worse when Discord is set to use a microphone or headset that isn't currently plugged in or isn't the correct default device. Adjust these settings to the devices you have chosen. Next, we're going to take a look at the input mode section. Check if you're using voice activity detection or push to talk. Voice activity is typically easier for continuous conversations. However, push to talk can sometimes reduce background noise and packet loss interference, though it requires you to activate your microphone manually. Then turn your attention to the Quality of Service section. Here, there's an option labeled Enable Quality of Service High Packet Priority. If this box is checked, uncheck it. Sometimes enabling this feature can cause more harm than good, especially if your network isn't configured to prioritize this type of traffic. Finally, scroll further down to the Advanced section. If you are experiencing connectivity issues, try resetting voice settings by scrolling to the bottom and clicking the Reset Voice Settings button. This will clear any misconfigurations that might be causing the packet loss. Once you've made these changes, it's a good idea to test them out. Join a voice channel and speak with your friends or teammates to see if the quality of your voice connection has improved. If you're still having issues, consider reducing Discord's bandwidth usage by closing any unnecessary applications or additional devices connected to your network. Hopefully, these steps help in resolving your packet loss issues on Discord.